Hello and welcome. This is the next video in the series of quick videos that we are creating to answer some common questions that have come up from time to time regarding IPTV. Specifically, how to start an IPTV business with the specialized content that you have. This video is an introduction to IPTV Set Top Box, and I will discuss all the functionalities and features as it relates to this component of the IPTV solution and to help you how to choose the right set top box for your business. In the previous videos, we have discussed the IPTV video headend. As you know, each component plays a critical role in capture, ingestion, delivery, and management of the content over an IP network. In this video, we will focus on the customer premises equipment as it pertains to the IPTV set-top box, which allows such streamed media to be decoded and made available to the user to enjoy on their TVs. So what is an IPTV set-top box? In IPTV networks, the set-top box is a small computer providing two-way communications on an IP network and decoding the video streaming media. Set-top boxes decodes and decrypts streamed media for TVs to display. These small devices can interface with the network via Ethernet or wireless and offers multiple ways to connect to TVs to provide the content. IPTV set-top boxes are used to receive streamed media using your network connection over public networks within a closed-loop networks. They also allow recording of content locally to their built-in hard drives or to an external flash drive attached through their USB ports. When selecting the right IPTV set-top box for your business, you need to consider its hardware specifications as you would do the same when you buy a PC or laptop for your personal use, right? Most manufacturers claim that their set-top boxes have the lowest price while they're lacking the performance in terms of hardware components such as the type of chipset used, CPU speed, RAM, and flash capacity, number of USB ports, and the TV output types. Therefore, before making a decision, businesses should consider the hardware components the manufacturer uses in the set-top boxes, and at the end of the day, you may purchase the lowest cost STB in the market. However, you may have difficulty offering the quality service your customers want. Inside the OEM package that you can customize for your business needs as IPTV service provider, you will find a quick installation guide, power adapter, remote control, component video and HDMI cables, Ethernet cable, and batteries for the remote control. Therefore, the package should be equipped with all the accessories that your customer will need to start using the box right away. To display the HD content, your customer should not require to purchase a separate HDMI cable. When selecting an IPTV set-top box, one should consider the interfaces that the device offers, like how many USB ports it has for users to connect, compatible devices such as USB Wi-Fi adapters or 3G modem for network and connectivity over wireless and 3G networks, USB flash drive and hard disk for extra storage, USB DVB-T stick to capture also live channels over the air. Another important factor we need to look at is that what type of video and audio protocols and codecs are supported by the IPTV set-top box to ensure if it meets our needs, if it supports multicast, if it supports digital audio, and so forth. Many different video and audio formats should be supported by the set-top box as shown on this slide. It is essential that set-top box has the user-friendly web-based management console for you and your engineers to configure the box in the most efficient way possible. Also, the set-top boxes should allow auto-provisioning from the centralized content management system for better service to end users. In addition, the end users should have access privilege to the set-top box to be able to watch OTT content from third-party online online sources, play their local videos, and view photos from their computers within the network using DLNA and USB flash drive. Now let's look at the TV user interface. It is essential that Set-Top Box allows you to have your company's theme in terms of company colors, look and feel. More importantly, these themes you need to be able to manage centrally from your middleware and even be able to offer different themes for different customer groups depending on their geography. Let's go through the applications your customers will look for on their set-top boxes. Video application should allow the user to watch live channels, be able to order pay-per-view, or be able to order video-on-demand services, and these services are all offered by the service provider, and as well as users should be able to play their own video content from external USB flash drive or hard disk, as well as playing OTT channels from external sources over IP. Audio application is kind of similar and should allow the user to listen live radio channels and be able to purchase audio on demand offered by the service provider again, and be able to listen audio content from external storage devices. Using media application, users should be able to view their own photos and photo galleries from services like Picasa and watch popular videos on YouTube. Set-top box should have the voice over IP SIP protocol support in case the provider decides to offer telephony services using the set-top box along with the USB phone attached to it. Set-top box should also support RSS feeds from the external resources to provide real-time information on weather, currency, and stock exchange. Users should be able to communicate with friends and family members using the email and chat on the set-top box, so they should be able to browse the internet and be able to upload their real-time videos online. Using the DLNA server installed on a computer, set-top box should be able to play audio and video files that are stored on a PC that is in the same local area network. When selecting the right IPTV set-top box for your customers, we suggest you evaluate the following: what hardware components it has, what is included in the package that when you ship to the customer, what type of interfaces it offers, which video and audio protocols and codecs are supported, if the set-top box has the web-based management console, if you can have any TV user interface template, and what features and applications it offers for your customers. I thank you for watching this video, and please be sure to check out our other videos as we go through the entire IPTV solutions. Have a good day.